As Dr. Seuss once said, we are all a little weird, and life's a little weird, and when someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall in mutual weirdness and call it love. Today, we witness this joining of weirdness in the marriage of Anthony Schultz and Amanda Tang.
She knows how to get me.
Oh, it's the longest card ever. I hope tonight brings you everything you could have ever wished for, and that you always look back on tonight as one of the best and most magical nights of your life. I love you, hon. I can't wait to marry you, and I'll see you at the altar. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Our little planet floats like a mote of dust in the morning sky. All that you see, all that we see, exploded out of a star billions of years ago. And the particles slowly arrange themselves into living things, including all of us. We are made of star stuff. We are the mechanism by which the universe can comprehend itself. The world is so exquisite with so much love and moral depth. We should remain grateful every day for the brief but magnificent opportunity that life provides.
There's one thing that I can point out about what people say about us, is that we've already been married for decades, which is fitting because it already seems as though years since we first met. In the few short years we've been together, I feel like we have grown exponentially, and there is no one on this earth who knows each other and accepts each other so completely as we do. Looking back, I would have never guessed that the cheerful, dorky girl who popped out from behind a patient's bed, scaring me half to death, would have such a profound impact on my life. That one day she would be standing before me, the most absolutely beautiful and most stunning woman I would ever lay eyes on. Knowing that I would be soon embarking on one of life's most amazing journeys with her, and I can't help but wonder what I must have done in this life or a past one that I should deserve someone so kind, gentle, compassionate, and loving. Stop it. You have been my biggest supporter through my endeavors over these past 3 years, and there lives not one other person in this world who I would want to be by my side on this day.
Today I stand before you, and I want to thank you for a few things, and I want to make you some promises. I want to thank you for always loving me, despite my imperfections and insecurities, for being patient with me, even when it seemed impossible, for being the loudest cheerleader through all my successes and biggest supporter through life's adversities. I want to thank you for all the sacrifices that you have already made, for always putting us first. I want to thank you for loving me for who I am, and for always encouraging me to be my true self in all its dorky and awkward forms. And most importantly, I want to thank you for teaching me the true meaning of being one's partner and lifelong teammate. I promise to always agree to disagree, remembering that neither of us are perfect, to always challenge you to be your best self, to encourage you, trust you, and respect you. I promise to always be your equal in life and in love. I promise to always make you laugh, to not take life too seriously, and to celebrate the wins. I promise to love all your quirks, despite your bad jokes. I promise you a lifetime of adventures, of getting absolutely lost in the moments with you. And when we're old and we've got stockpiles of memories behind our wrinkles, I promise that I'm going to trace every line on your face so that I can relive all of the beautiful moments that you and I have shared together. I can't promise you that dark clouds will never hover, that tomorrow will be perfect, or that life will be easy. But I promise to be your biggest supporter as we navigate through life's challenges and chances. I promise to dream with you and fill our home with laughter and compassion. I promise to be your advisor, your counselor, your confidant, and your best friend, as you have been mine.